Hey guys, welcome to today's video. Today we're gonna be testing out a product that I have never tried before, but I did see going around here actually on YouTube, and then you guys were tweeting me things, and I think there was a paid for ad campaign on Facebook. Basically, it was just like popping up everywhere. There was a commercial with my voice endorsing this product, but I have never tried this product, so we're gonna try this product. It is a swipe on eyeshadow. It seems to be the kind of thing I would pick up for an OMG Tuesday or a trying weird products video anyway, so this kind of is fitting for my channel. It's just also a little shocking to hear my voice like from many different videos. Like I was trying to figure out exactly which video they pulled from. I think it's 2 different videos because literally in the commercial, from what I saw online, we're gonna watch the whole full thing together. I'm like going, wow, amazing. Oh, and like my voice is very surprisingly recognizable. I don't know. I didn't think I had that recognizable of a voice, but so many of you guys were tweeting me and telling me that this had happened. You're like, hey, are you sponsored by them? Or did you make this commercial with them? Or do you even know about this? So I got a ton of just feedback from you guys, whether it was like, hey Tati, heads up, or just confusion. And the hey Tati, heads up part, I wanna say, oh my gosh, you guys are the best. Like, thank you so much. And to the confused portion, I wanna say I'm so sorry. And that's why I'm sitting down to make a video like this yet again. I did this once before in the past where a bunch of companies were taking my image. You know, this was happening on Groupon, on Amazon through, you know, private sellers. It was happening through different campaigns on Facebook, wish.com, where they will pull someone online, me or another creator in any category. It was happening to a lot of people, and they would take their image holding a product that was similar and then make it seem like they were endorsing the product. It's a whole thing that happens more often than it should. And yes, I could get lawyers involved and pay lawyers and take the time to do all of that to get them to take this down. Sadly, new things pop up here, there, everywhere. So I'm letting brands know right now that if you take my voice and make it look like I am endorsing a product that I have never tried, then I'm gonna sit down and I'm gonna chat about it and I'm gonna call you out. So that's what I feel comfortable doing. This is not cool. If you are a brand out there of any size, do not do this. Even on Instagram, this has happened with larger companies, and I don't want to, you know, embarrass anybody because every larger company that this has happened with, we have privately, you know, resolved and made good with everything. But if you are going to post on your brand Instagram, website, whatever, and make the text or visual or voice or anything, make it look like I am endorsing a product and you haven't spoken to me about it or DM'd me about it, that's not cool. Like, it's not good. It confuses the audience. Like, maybe that's not the blush that you're selling that I was wearing, and that's so confusing to the consumer. And ultimately, that's the person that all of this is hurting. So this has nothing to do with like, give me the money or pay me the money or whatever. This has everything to do with like, don't lie to the customer. That's what this is about. So we're gonna dig in this package right here. It took a really long time to get this. And I wanna say the company's name is like Glam Girl, which somehow makes it like even worse, right? Like my channel is like Glam Life Guru. It's just very confusing like all the way around, right? Oh wow, I have enough for like a giveaway too. So we have the All About Eye Everyday Quick and Easy hashtag boss of me. I am the boss of me, and I'm here to say, do not use my voice when I have not given you permission. So annoying. Oh my, you guys, we need to watch this commercial like right now, right now. It's, my whole family was laughing, by the way. They're like, whoa. They're like, oh my gosh. And it's not just me. There are other voices that you may recognize in this little commercial. So tell me in the comments if you have already watched this and if you were just one of the people like kind of going, oh, like, why would they do that? You know, like why? Okay, so, ooh, a lot of brands in Sephora can't even do that. Look at that. I'm not joking. I have a love affair with these. They are so good. Look at these colors. Are you kidding me? I'm wearing this on my eyes today. This is just priced so well because I have reached for this a lot. I've traveled with this. You're just gonna
swipe this across.
That actually was really easy and really, really quick.
Look at these.
I have not been able to stop using it all week since I picked it up.
The color payout came off really vibrant.
Boom. Do you see this? Magic? Look at that. Yes, 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 yes. These colors go to— Ew, why do I talk like that? Oh my God. That you get is just stunning. I love this. And I've held on to it and I've used it over and over and over.
I think it's really pretty. I really do.
I like it.
I just realized who that was. Stop it. Stop it right now. Oh no. Do I talk like that, you guys? Oh. Yes, 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 yes. That was atrocious. I pack this, I use it all the time. I've even traveled with it. Yes, 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 yes. I have never tried this product. How can they do that? Like, how is this even remotely legal? I mean, maybe I should sue. Like, maybe I should be calling my lawyer right now. This is just so not okay. And this is happening way too often. And I feel like I see this kind of thing happen at least once a week, if not to me, to other people. And it's just kind of gotten to this point where I don't want to say we're like desensitized to it, but people are like, happened to you? Oh yeah, happened to me too. And these companies have no respect. And sadly, I kind of feel in a way that sitting and making this video is giving them free promotion, but I have a feeling that this product is crap because it's a swipe on eyeshadow. And I've tried this kind of a product in the past and I didn't like it. I just don't think anybody's eye shape is really suited to a product like this, because the second you drag color out too far, whether you have almond shaped eyes, round eyes, deep set eyes, it's a mess. Eyeshadow, fingers, eyeshadow brush works better in my opinion, probably cheaper. Let's just get into this and try it together. You know, the packaging, it's kind of cute. It actually is. It's kind of adorable. It's like, look. Well, that broke. Okay, so we're off to a good start here. Let's try the other one. Be careful when you open this up. Kind of wants to fly out. So the idea with this is everyday and easy and quick boss. What? I can't read that. That makes my brain hurt. You know, I'm not gonna be a jerk. I'm gonna give it like the full real deal fair shot. So I'm gonna even like take my Painterly paint pot and prep my eyes. Let's do it. Let's do it. So we're gonna go in now into this little guy right here. It's the Eye magazine All About Eye #1. And they have several different colors. Both of these are shiny, so that's really interesting. I'm gonna go in, like they say, just one little swipe. And I'm gonna take a swiperoo. And I think we should do the music too, right? I mean, is it just me or sound like porno music, right? It's just like ding, 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 and the All About Eye. Oh, I even took this to travel. How horrible. Like also like not a good commercial. Okay, so we're gonna go in. I'm gonna try to start right at the corner right here. Wow. It's doing absolutely nothing. Let's try again. I'm pressing pretty hard. I want you guys to see. I've got my stuff on there. And well, that sucked. Let's try another. Maybe this one will be better. It is the shade 4. This is still a little shiny, but you have like the red burgundy down here that could be kind of more like framing the eye. So, ew, this is like chunk central. All right, so we're gonna go in. Do they actually sell any of this stuff? Jeez, are you serious? This is not the result that I was looking for, you guys. Come on, come on. This is not a good product. I would never, ever be saying what I said in that commercial about this. Come on, I mean, stop. All right, I'm gonna do it again, but I'm going to not take as much this time. Let's maybe see. if we can do it a little bit lighter, and maybe that'll help. Nope. Still looks like absolute trash. I don't feel pretty. I feel worse than I did before I put this makeup on. I would like a refund, please. The 2-color eye magazine is a fail. I don't like it. I'm like swimming right now. What am I doing? The 2-color eye magazine shadow is a fail. I do not like this. I don't like products that are like this in general. I've seen Benefit do a version of this. Almay has done a version of this. I think it's easier to use a 2-step technique. You're gonna save more time by having more control, and you'll save your money by not paying for kind of, you know, a hokey pokey item like this. This is officially the worst eyeshadow I think I have ever worn. I do not like it one bit. I would never travel with this. I just really, you guys, I wanted to sit down and clear the air, and I will continue to do so if companies continue to do this. It's super annoying, but I do have to say that I am so grateful that you guys let me know when you see these kind of things, and I will always be happy to speak about it if it's creating that much confusion. I don't think it's fair to you guys. I would never want you to go and spend your money on something thinking that, you know, oh, well, Tati loves it and I usually like what she recommends, so I'm gonna go and buy this, and having it be absolute crap. Like, that is not good for you. It's not good for me, and I wish that brands would stop doing this. Have some integrity in your business. If you have a product that you love, that works, that you support, that you believe in, find another way, because this is dirty business. I don't stand for it. I don't like it. I don't appreciate it. And you know, what I will continue doing is calling it out. So there we have it. This product's a joke. It's a horrible formula. The brush is a joke. The package, you open it up, it's very easy to fall out. You potentially could break it. You don't get a mirror, it's plastic. And the payoff, even if you don't use the 2-step little brush, it's not that great either. So through and through, this is not a good product, and it would never be something that I would endorse even for a second. So there you have that. Boom, case closed. I love you guys so much. Keep me in the loop. If you see this kind of thing happening, please let me know on Twitter, on Snapchat. You know, my messages there are open. Leave comments, DM me, just hunt me down. I'm kind of all over the internet, so find me, let me know. I appreciate it so much. I love you guys, and I hope you enjoyed this video, even though it was not my typical kind of a video to do. I hope you liked it, and if you did, you can go ahead and hit the thumbs up button. If you have not yet subscribed, make sure you do before you leave, and then ring the bell for good luck, and because it is the right thing to do. And then you'll be notified of my upcoming uploads. I am here Monday through Friday at 10 a.m. PST, and I hope you come out and hang out with me again when I'm wearing much prettier makeups. All right. I'm gonna go wash my face now. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video. Mwah.